Welcome to Royal Enfield Himalayan. Do it yourself for front wheel removal and installation. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Hold the wheel axle from RH side and loosen the 24 mm hex nut on the LH side. Remove the nut and washer. Loosen the axle pinch bolt on fork RH side using 6 mm Allen key. Gently tap the spindle from the LH side and remove from RH side. Hold the wheel in position while taking out the spindle to prevent damage to the speedo hub drive. Remove the spacer LHS side from the wheel hub. Remove the speedo hub drive from the wheel hub. Gently lower the wheel such that the brake disc is free of the caliper and remove the wheel. Place a suitable cardboard between the brake pads in the caliper to prevent jamming of the pads in the event of someone applying the brakes. Remove cardboard placed between the brake pads in the caliper. Ensure the pinch bolt on the fork end LH side is loose. Apply grease on the spacer and locate it on the wheel disc side. Locate the speedo hub drive on the RH side. Hold the spacer between the wheel speed sensor and fork end LH and insert the spindle through the fork end RH. Ensure the holes are aligned and do not force the spindle through as it will damage the bearing and the threads in the spindle. If in case it is necessary to tap the spindle in, please use minimum force to tap the spindle in. Assemble the washer and hex nut on the spindle. Tighten nut using 24 mm spanner after suitably holding the spindle lock using open end spanner to prevent it from rotating while tightening. Tighten the pinch bolt on fork end RH side using 6 mm Allen key. That's it. You have done the front wheel removal and installation.